Alright, so if you are watching this video, I'd like to walk you through how the Quickcivilseries detailing looks like. You can see it gives you your column footing, it gives you your trench lines. You can see these are your trench lines. You know, it's 3 times the width of your block. Very sweet. You can see this is column 1. It also calls this column 1. So if this is column 2, this is column 2. I just did a rough sketch which was generated by the software automatically for me. It's very easy to use. It has one of the best form of detailing that I can recommend any day, anytime. You can see this is how it generates the foundation layout. You agree with me? On your AutoCAD, that is how you basically do your foundation layout as well. So you can see this is your slab and beam layout. You can see, very interesting. This is beam 1, this is beam 2, this is beam 3, this is beam 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's come down to the base detailing. You can see, trust me, you can quote me anywhere, this is one of the software that can give you the best type of detailing that you can ever imagine. You can see this is the base detailing. So let's go down to, this is Quickcivilseries 10. For as many of you that want to probably get this, it's important, get this. This software makes your detailing, way more easier and faster compared to when you are using other automated softwares. They have a lot of issues when it comes to their detailing. So one of the selling points of Quickcivilseries is detailing, and you all agree with me that detailing is a whole lot of work for most persons. So you can see this is column 1, column 2, column 3. So it brings out your column detailing very well, brings out your beam detailing very well. I'm going to show you all of that even on this video. So you can see this is the slab detailing from Quickcivilseries as well. You can see how the slab detailing is. You can see this is your bottom reinforcement, and then it returns, and then you have a top distribution bar. This top distribution bar, you have 3 of them, and then the bar mark is 6. So you have bar mark 6, bar mark 6. So it's telling you, if you are doing your bar bending schedule, that this reinforcement, this and this, they are all the same. Similarly, if you look at this as well, if you check the bar mark, you discover the bar mark is also the same, 21, 21, 21. So it's also telling you that this reinforcement spans from here to here. This same reinforcement spans from here to here, also spans from here to here. This is the best detailing you can ever find as far as any software is concerned. I am telling you the truth. So you can go through it the day you purchase this. Please, I will encourage you to get it. You can see your beam detailing, superb. So trust me, this Quickcivilseries gives you the best type of detailing you can ever imagine. So if you want to get this, please, all you need to do is just to check down below the comment section of this video. You will find links. All you need to do is just to click on any of those links, and then boom, it will take you where you can purchase it. Just a click, you can make your payment from wherever you are in the world. You can make your payment for this software and you get it immediately.